Well, hello. While you were watching how I was making my morning coffee, you probably saw some of the things that your eyes just stop at. I've noticed these things many times, so today I'm gonna try a home decor. I've never decorated a home in the sense of trying to make my home more beautiful. Every piece of furniture that I bought and that I used was actually made to be functional for me. I have a shelf that actually makes some decorating function, I believe, but still I bought it and I hung it there to use. And my plants are basically my friends because I've never thought of buying them just to make my home more beautiful. Oh my god, there's a spider there. Okay. I've only bought them just because I like the plant itself, and only after that I was trying to figure out where it would stand, you know? It doesn't work all the time, but still, you saw this basket that always have plastic bags in it. I'm too lazy to come from my grocery shopping and take all the things out of these plastic bags into this basket. This would be, you know, we have a nice phrase in Russian. It would be hemorrhoids for me. Because this is a disease that's super uncomfortable and nobody wants that. So it means things that will bother you a lot and irritate you a lot, so you don't want to do them. I decided to go another way, to find some container for my fruit and other things that I store there with the closing lid that would cover this all up, and if I film how I make the coffee you wouldn't see those ugly plastic bags. Also in the corner, let me show you. In this corner, actually I've recently bought this plant, but it doesn't do really well. I guess it's yellowing somewhere, and my cat, yes, I hate my cats doing that, but they are eating the plant sometimes. I really love this plant and I want it to stay here. And I'm actually going to buy a pitcher for this place because now we have these water bottles just standing there, and it's not like the most beautiful thing ever, but this is the most comfortable way we get water from a special machine service in the local supermarket, which is super comfortable, but it looks ugly, so I want to put a pitcher there. And I think it will look a lot more beautiful when I cover this up when I put a picture here. Also, I am going to switch some things in my living room. These walls. I asked my husband to hang the hanger there. Hanger, or what's this called? I don't know. Nail? I don't know. So that I could put here the hanging pots, like those ones by here. And also one is going to be here. I haven't actually thought of the plants that I'm gonna hang there, but I think it will be beautiful. Also on that wall, it's like super empty. I would really want to hang a picture there. Let's do it together. Okay, what do you think now? Is it better? Is it worse? I don't know. But for me it looks neater and I don't see those ugly plastic bags now. I don't know, it feels a little bit odd because this is not a kitchen item. It was bought from the IKEA, super cheap, because it was the best option I had. We do not have this in Ukraine, this many of the furniture, thrifted furniture and secondhand furniture that would cost cheaper than the newer things. In this case I had to buy this new. But as to the picture, actually I'm now going to the post office to take it and I'll show you what it will look like finally. I am now trying. Do you see me or not? Okay, I'll be like that. I am now trying to organize and put my plants through different ways. Just not to make this look cluttered, but make it make more sense. I'm so close because I have to speak really quiet right now, and my refrigerator, okay, and my coffee a little bit farther from the refrigerator. That sounds like construction site. I am now confused, and it's been 3 days since I started to somehow organize that corner, to organize my plants. And let's pretend that what you saw has actually led to something, because it did it. After that, I switched things many times. This is a very beautiful cashpot that I really want to hang in my living room with the most beautiful plant that I have for now. Sorry, do not get offended. Alocasia poly, and I wanted to hang in this most beautiful cashpot ever. I ordered it locally from a woman who makes those things and sells them super cheap. I was really surprised when I heard the prices. It's a great deal, boss, and I helped a woman. We exchanged the money, and I didn't give money to other countries or some big corporations. Yeah, I really enjoy doing that and buying from small brands or from just individuals. This is not the final thing. I actually didn't like that this container stands here, because then it's covers this whole part from this angle, and it feels super heavy here. I decided that I'll put container here. But then the new problem comes up. I have nowhere to put my new pitcher, which is actually nice, right? I bought it secondhand, by the way. It's super old, and I really love the plant here, but I'm really worried about this plant because I know that it just likes to dry out. It likes to brown its leaves whenever it wants, and I can't figure out why. I just don't know how to organize this all. I have just hung my wonderful philodendron Brazil on the hanger on the cashpot that I made myself, which I'm really proud of. That I know how to do them. They're very easy to do, but of course it's not as beautiful as this masterpiece. So actually I want to do one more to hang a plant that was basically hanging there, but I just want them both to be there, farther from my cats, and getting as much light as it needs. Actually, kitchen is a very luxurious place for my plants because it has a lot of light. I got a picture for that wall that I'm gonna show you now. Oh, it's so messy here because it's just the morning, and the only time I can do all this is just before work, so sorry for the mess. But this is the painting. Well, it's not the real painting, actually that's a printed picture. I've never ever hung paintings on the wall. Here it is. Yeah, you're totally right. Despite the fact that I have a million plants at my home, I decided that I wanted monstera in my picture. Actually, I'm not going to buy a monstera, but I still like this plant and want to have it somewhere. It's just, I feel that having the monstera a little bit too trendy. Problem is that this is a vertical picture actually, and I want it to be the horizontal one. So I need to figure out how would I hang it. Well. This is what it looks like right now, and to be honest, I do not like it at all. It looks so lonely on that wall. It's kind of okay. I think we'll get used to this picture, and maybe somewhere I'll do different things. Okay, let's admit this. I'm not talented at decoration. That's fine. Maybe later I'll hire a designer that would make everything beautiful here. But for now, I just wanted to start a picture here. I got it. I'm happy. Not too much, but I am, I guess. I just want to finalize what we got. I had to order some additional things to make this all work out finally, because for now I feel absolutely embarrassed by that picture standing right on the table here. Marie Kondo says that cooking space should be cooking space, and cooking service shouldn't be filled with some stuff. I actually think that's true. I don't want to keep anything on this table. I want it to be absolutely clean. I want it to be easy to wipe, because you usually wipe a kitchen table a lot, right? What I found out that it would be a great idea to buy a tray, a big plate, as you wish. I'm not sure what you call that, but yeah, I bought this wonderful and absolutely beautiful plate that matches actually my vase, which I have only one of, by the way. Things that I have only one of were in one of the previous videos, so go ahead and watch it if you want. Made of glass and has some, I don't know how to say this, decor parts in it, you know? Well, and the picture is going to stand here. I will probably keep it this way for now. Okay, I believe this is the final stage of making my kitchen a little bit more beautiful. Nothing big changed, but I'm quite a little more happy now because I don't see plastic bags here. I think it looks quite well. To be honest, I don't like at all how this all looks. I want this wall to be actually empty and plain. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate if you leave me a comment about how this all turned out and what you think would be even a better solution for those areas that I decorated. To buy these old things, I had to save a little bit. That was one of the reasons I had a no buy month that will be right here. I am sharing with you all the results and all my ways. So I really recommend you watching this video. It will be super nice, I promise. And have a good day. Goodbye.